In a piping layout where linear expansion of the pipe due to temperature changes must be taken into account, it is necessary to set fixed points at certain areas to fix the pipe from movement. These are important to keep the expansion calculable. With the Sikla fixed point bracket XW, you can realize such a fixed point in a few seconds in connection with a Sikla pipe shoe. A single component plus 4 screws with the one-screw technology allow an extremely simple and quick assembling. The siFramo system makes this completely stepless. Before inserting the pipe shoe into the fixed point bracket, the PA sliding plate must be removed. The components are delivered completely pre-assembled. Anti-slip protection, for example cleats or stoppers, must be taken into account by the pipe manufacturer.